Yeah, yeah, yeah. Para-rabas, tara na. Fambam, let's go. Oh, oh. Kasama ang tropa at pamilya.
Good morning! Welcome back! Yan. Mamao si Mami ay. Magaling na ba ang lahat? Ano ngayon? Magta-third camping kami. Going to Calatagan, Batangas. Yan. So, may makakita ko sa inyo. Pupuntahan natin. So, pause po si Mami ay. Hindi pa gumaling masyado. Mga pala yung meron ng tulay dito. Wait tayo mamaya. Bye! here in Calatagan. In Kaisip Beach Resort. So, set up muna kami. And wait nyo ang pagtayo ng tent namin mamaya. Okay, mga pararabas. Welcome to Kaisip. Yan, nice.
Oh!
No, I don't want to.
Let's go!
Show? What are we doing?
Oh, kasi ko. Oh,
Can I feel?
yeah. Ate, ang saya.
Try to get the sand off. I have enough of the sand. I want to get off.
Oh!
I accidentally wet myself.
You wet.
I accidentally wet myself.
I got wet because of you. Oh. Ate, say hi. Te. Te. Cassie, say hi. Cassie, look at the camera.
Oh my god.
Oh! Bro, you're scaring me.
I regret water.
Saya.
I think I found a volcano.
Hello mga pararabas, nandito tayo sa Camp Kaisip. Camp Kaisip or Kaisip Beach Resort. Okay? And ito pala yung loob ng ano namin. Tent. Ayan. Open. And nandiyan mga doggies namin. Tita May, Kuya TJ, sleeping. So, yun. Ito yung mga gamit namin. Ayan, inaayos pa namin kasi kanina umulan. Then, ayun yung beach. So, yun lang. And then, ito yung sa naming tent. Captain Onak with Cassie. Yan. Nag-swimming na si Cassie sa beach. Yan, sila mag-ama hindi. Nabasa kasi ng ulan. Yung ilalim, napatuyo. Yan. So, ngayon, sinecharge namin yung mga solar namin. Oo. Mga solar. Yan. Yung lights, sinecharge na namin. So, ayusin pa namin. By the way, ang tent namin ay Village 13 flagship. Yan. So, gamit na gamit dito. Umulan kanina. Malakas ang ulan. So, third camping namin to. And then, kailangan namin pala lagi may ganito. Anong tawag dito? May? Pole. Kasi, pag umuulan, so kailangan taas para bumababa yung mga tubig. Yan. So, sinacharge namin yung solar namin. Ganda ng beach. Ayun, may barko. So, we are here in Calatagan, Batangas. So, under kami ng una ng Talisay. Yan, si Captain Jack naglalakad. Nag-swimming siya sa dagat. At nabasa rin ng ulan. Here's Ate Jana. Say hi, Ate Jana. Yan. So, ayusin pa namin to mga pararabas. Kasi we're gonna spend 2 days here in Calatagan, Batangas. Kasi nakakapagod pag overnight lang. So, kailangan namin magstay dito ng 2 nights para mas ma-enjoy namin. At may energy. So, yan. Meron din dito. So, for sure, mapupuno to. 2 nights siguro. Tomorrow din. Yan. So, nagawa-gawa pa kami ng kanal-kanal kanina kasi umulan. Malakas yung ulan. So, in fairness, na ano na namin to. And then, ito syempre. Yan. So, kailangan pag nagka-camping ka.
Yeah, boy.
Naririnig ka nila, Dad. Nagbablog ako. So, alam niyo na, si Captain Jack. Huwag ka na mag-brief. Yan, naganda oh. Ano ba yan, Mindoro? Ayan, si Captain Onak naglilinis na ng kanyang bahay. So, yan. Ito rin yung aming table. Tatabi namin para ano. So, gamit na gamit. Nagluto ko ngayon ng sinigang na baka. So, for sure, mga enjoy namin. May enjoy namin ang aming camping. Si Tita May, she's sick. Tayo ka na dyan.
Hindi, kumain na tayo.
DJ, you eat your lunch na.
Nauna mo kami dyan, ha? Nasaan ako? Ako dyan, Jay.
Separate mo si Tita May.
Hindi, ako dyan. Sakit ako eh.
So, shout out. Shout out, Ate Jana. Shout out sa Bicol.
Ayaw mo?
Shout out ka kala Mama Ems. Mga cousins mo sa Bicol. Come on. Shout out. Nagpapa-shout out sila. Shout out nga pala sa mga pinsan ko dyan sa Bicol. Thank you for watching the Pararabas Family. Our YouTube channel. Please, sabihin nyo sa lahat ng kapitbahay natin, subscribe kami, okay? Yan. So, mga Pararabas, super na-enjoy ko tong tent namin. Yan. So, marami pang ano kami dito. Yan, ang ganda, no? Chill-chill lang. Yan. Prepare mo na si Mami Ay at kapit na naman mamaya mag-ihaw. Tsura ko. Yan. So, mga pinsan, chill lang kayo dyan. Panoorin niyo yung vlog namin.
Ano yung bago? Mami, pakita ka. Sit down, sit down. Dapat may kape tayo eh. Ngayon nagpo-podcast.
Too hot.
It's too hot. What time is it na ba? It's 3:11.
Ha?
3:11. Si Cassie, anong ginagawa? What's our ulam for later?
Tempo and sinigang ulit.
Siyempo. May gulay?
Iniyam na tempo and
May gulay ka?
nilagang okra.
Walang kamatis?
Ay, put kamatis also if you want.
Ayoko ng okra eh. I don't eat okra.
It's not, nice yun.
I don't eat okra.
Mariel, meron mong kalaykay? Kakalaykay ako.
May the mic is here.
Magkakalaykay ako.
You don't want chocolate? You don't want chocolate?
Later.
Oh yeah, I have something to say. Kala ko nawala ko yung Jisoo life ko dati.
Nasaan? Nasaan ba?
Nawala siya months ago. Tapos I realized, tinago ko lang pala siya sa room ko. So it was in my box the whole time.
Sandali anak, i-fix ko lang yung natin. Yung gilid, baka umulan.
I'll show you guys my fit. My fit. Wait. I need space. So this is my fit. I have Filipino shorts. It has pockets. So it's really good. My brother's looking at me. Then I have this BSCO top. Very cheap and very nice quality. Yeah, it's good. And yeah, that's it. That's for my fit check.
Ay, tabo lang.
Good afternoon, mga pararabas. Mga ilang oras na ba tayo dito? There. So, ito na naman sila. Nag-iiyaw na naman sila. Pero ngayon nakatayo. Yan.
Pagka ng panahon. Servo ka ng tubig.
Ate, yung pangwisik nandun sa Tor.
Ay, meron pala tayo pang spray set.
Ganda yung buhangin dito, mga pararabas. So, high tide na dito, kaya nandito na yung water. Nagluluto daw sila ng hotdog. Ay, hala. Ate, look at me now. Look at me now. Kunin mo na yung sleeper ko dun sa ano. Hindi pala pwede basain to. Hello mga pararabas. Yan, it's night time here in Calatagan. Hirap din pala rito pag umuulan. Kailangan namin gumawa ng dike. Yan, ng dike. At para may dadaluyan ang tubig. Yan. Dito kasi kami nakapwesto eh. Dahil meron daw naka-reserve doon.
The next morning.
Good morning, mga pararabas. Yan na sila. Liligpit-ligpit. Nagliligpit-ligpit ng ilaw. Pero wala masyadong maraming kalat. Yan si ate. Kanyang baler. So, hindi pa kami nag-aayos. So, marami ngayon mag-check-in dito sigurado at holiday.
Sana, gising na! Asarin mo agad pagpa...
Wake up, it's a new day. Dreams are calling, don't delay. Feel the power in your heart. Today's your chance to start. Hold on when it's tough, when the road gets rough. Shine bright like the sun. You're not the only one. Rise up, don't you fall. Stand tall, give it your all. Rise up, break the chain. Chase the joy, defy the pain. Believe in who you are. You were born to reach the stars. Take each step, take a stand. You've got the world in your hand. Rise up, don't you fall. Stand tall, give it your all. Rise up, break the chain. Chase the joy, defy the pain. In the night, keep the faith. You can find your way. Every moment, cherish it. Every dream, never quit. Hold on when it's tough, when the road gets rough. Shine bright like the sun. You're not the only one. Rise up, don't you fall. Stand tall, give it your all. Rise up, break the chain. Chase the joy, defy the pain. In the night, keep the faith. You can find your way. Every moment, cherish it. Every dream, never quit.
Good morning. Good morning mga pararabas. Wow. So high tide ngayon kaya may water dito. Ganda.
again. 'Cause I sit here crying when you're out with someone else. And I want you here with me when it's 3 a.m. Though I wish I didn't care for you. Though I wish I didn't care for you. I'm over here, I'll now be waiting for you. I won't get through till you love me too. I know you said you wanna go, later you wanna go. And when you're coming back, I'll be holding you in my arms again. 'Cause I feel more alive whenever you are close to me. And I want you here with me when it's 3 a.m. Though I wish I didn't care for you. Though I wish I didn't care for you. I'm over here, I'll now be waiting for you. I won't get through till you love me too. I know you said you wanna go, later you wanna go. You said you wanna go, and now you wanna call. And now that I'm feeling low, I ain't got nobody to hold. I'm over here, I'll now be waiting for you. I won't get through till you love me too. I know you said you wanna go, later you wanna go.
Ayan, Tita May, magaling ka na. Mga pararabas. Nakiuso kami sa ubo, sipon, lagnat. Si Ate Jana, still sleeping.
Hindi na, gising na. Gising na.
Here, yung aming isang tent. So, dahil umuwi si Captain Onak, dito muna namin tong mga alaga namin para shh, gaway. So, nandun din pala yung aming bihisan. Okay. Look at Rocky. Anong iniihaw mo, Dad?
Hindi ko alam kung anong pangalan nito. Ito ba yung ngipin?
Pampano daw, pampanong
Ito ano to?
Yun din, maliit lang.
Tinanggal na ito yung biso ko eh. Bel, yung tubig! Sabay-sabay tayo kumain.
Hello mga pararabas. Pauwi na kami and then bigyan lang namin ng magandang review yung Kaisip Bochong Beach House. Yun yata yung Facebook account nila, no? Maganda yung lugar kasi beachfront, tapos maganda rin yung buhangin, and then hindi crowded, and also yung mga tao maganda yung service nila doon. lagi silang naglilinis kasi maraming mga dahon ng ng talisay na nalaglag. So, yun. Ano pa ba? Malinis yung mga toilets. Tapos, yun, syempre, mababait yung mga caretaker doon. So, yun lang. Pag may gustong pumunta sa Calatagan, pasyal kayo sa Kaisip Bonchong Beach House.